Hi, this is the AI007 Quad VCA Mixer, available at aisynthesis.com, where you can always find more information. The AI007 can be used as a 1 to 4 channel mixer, a 1 to 4 channel voltage controlled mixer, or 4 separate VCAs. I call it a 1 to 4 channel because if a cable is plugged into a channel's output, it separates it from the mix, allowing for a variable number of channels that go to the mix bus. Let's listen to a saw wave from the AI011 analog VCO. Plugging this into channel 1. Without CV, the channel volume is controlled by the level pot. Because there is no output cable separating it, this is going to the mix bus. So changing the master mix will affect what we hear. This design uses very high quality, very low noise 2164 ICs to make it a very clean, studio-worthy VCA. It may seem like we're bypassing the circuit when we're not using CV, but we're not. It's just that the level controls are controlling the voltage that is normally controlled by CV. I'm going to disconnect output 4, which will separate channel 4 from the mixed signal. This is because I'm going to be using CV to illustrate the bicolor LEDs. Each of the 4 channels has a bicolor LED indicator that signals whether the voltage is high or low or present. Off, with no color, is 0 voltage, whereas red is negative voltage, and green, which is a little hard to see in this lighting, but is much clearer in real use, is positive voltage. For audio rate, the signal tends to be more of an amber color because it's going positive to negative so fast. Let's get rid of that. Let's get our input going. And now we'll plug in some control voltage from the AI003 looping envelope generator to control channel 1. Each channel has a response knob, which smoothly crossfades between linear and logarithmic VCA response. Since the AI003 is already a logarithmic envelope generator, putting it in logarithmic mode just makes it even more logarithmic. So we'll leave it in linear for a more natural sound. When there's control voltage, the level pot is no longer controlling static voltage, but is now controlling the level of control voltage that controls the VCA. Plug in another signal. This is the AI004, making a little hi-hat sound. There's no input there, it's just self-oscillating. And we'll plug in another signal into channel 3. And that's just opening and closing, a little bit of noise stuff going through. Thanks to the mix knob, we can control the output and attenuate it so that, as in this case, I'm going directly to my sound card, which makes the AI007 a perfect candidate as an output module or as part of your output bus. That's the basics of the AI007, now available at aisynthesis.com as a built-in tested unit with a warranty, as a full kit, as a PCB and panel set, or as just a PCB. Thanks so much for watching. Stay healthy.